Hi everyone. In this session, we're gonna be learning about um, void setup and void throw. It's simple actually. Um, I'll write it down for you. Void setup, okay, and void throw. What is void setup? Basically, void setup is a part of your program that is run only once, while void throw part of your program that is run again and again. And it will be run after void setup. What's inside void setup run first. So if I and this is what in the setup, this is where you define the size of the canvas. So if I run it, you get the canvas here. But if you run it over in void throw, we'll see what happened. See, it says that the size cannot be used there. So that is why you don't want to put size inside void throw. And let's see if I put background and let's say 255 0 and 0 and I run it. Now I get a red canvas. However, if I put different background over here, let's say instead of red I want a green background, and if I run it, you will see green background. What happened is after the void setup is called, what's inside void setup is called, then it will call void throw, and automatically the red background will be covered by the green background, and it will be covered again and again. That is the simple explanation of between void setup and void throw. Although we also have events. Events basically if we wanna do something on our canvas, for example. Alright, I'll write it down here. I want events. Events, for example, mouse click. You click your mouse. Okay. What else? If you drag your mouse, for example. What else? I'll put it this way. It's easier. Clicking your mouse. After that, dragging your mouse. You can do pressing your mouse. Okay. All right. So these are just samples of events. How are we gonna use events? So let's say void mouse click. What is mouse click? Void mouse click, basically everything inside void mouse click will be run once every time you click your mouse. So for example, if I put print line, after that inside the print line I put quote and I say hello. So now you will see what happened when I click my mouse. It will print hello. When I click again, it will print hello again, and again and again and again. Each time I click, it's gonna be called. And why I use this, I would like to use mouse click to explain to you about void setup and void draw. Over here, let's say if I want to every time I click, I would like to draw an ellipse. Why do I want to draw my ellipse? At the point where I click, and which is mouse X, mouse Y. So mouse X, mouse Y is basically the syntax that contain the value of the mouse X where I click, and mouse Y, same thing, but then where the Y coordinate of the mouse. And let's say I put 20 and 20, and I'm gonna color the ellipse with 150, let's say, and I will run it, and I click. You see there, that is what happened if you run mouse click. If you click your mouse, and it's gonna draw ellipses each time you click your mouse, and we don't do anything with void draw at all. As you see, there's nothing in void draw. Now what about if we change the void draw like this, and if we run it, when I click, you will not see anything. Well, you see something there, but it disappears quickly. What happened there is basically each time it draw, then it will be covered by the background, because as you remember, whatever inside void draw, it will be run again and again and again, so indefinitely. So that is why you see slightly of the ellipse that you draw, but it disappears very quickly. Well, that is the short introduction about void setup, void draw, and events. I hope you understand, and I will see you soon the next tutorial.